Go.
Okay, this is called swirling milk. We're gonna put a little bit of milk in. Okay, good. Little bit of milk. There we are. Little bit of food coloring. Ah. And then a drop of Dawn dish soap. And watch the milk and the colors swirl. And if you really want to have fun, you can take a Q-tip and put it in the middle and move the colors around. But you always want to be really careful, because if you bump it, it will not work. There you go. Pretty.
Action.
Oh, first you take some water and you put it in your little cup.
You didn't say what the experiment was.
Oh,
Action.
This one is germ experiment with pepper.
Action.
Okay, this is germ experiment with pepper. I'm gonna put some water in a little cup. Then you're gonna put a layer of pepper on top. And you just shake, shake, shake. Then you're gonna take your little finger and you're gonna put it in there. When you pull it out, you get a lot of little germs on your finger. Then you take the soap, put a squirt in there, and it makes the pepper scatter so you can't see the germs as much. So that's why it's important to wash your hands with soap and water frequently.
Action.
Yeah.
This experiment is Skittles Color Explosion. You arrange the Skittles in a circle, and then you pour some water into the center. Now we are going to come back to this after we do our next experiment.
Pull it together somehow. It really works. Baking soda volcanoes. So you're just gonna take a little bit of baking soda, and depending on how much you want it to explode, you can put a little or a lot. I like a lot. And you can put some food coloring in. And then dump some vinegar and watch what happens. And there you go. A neat volcano.